Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Micro Focus of Campus is hiring freshers and the job role for that is software engineer. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is software engineer, and that too for the title, that is quality engineer, that too in entry level. So those candidates are eligible, that is freshers, and the experience needed, it is for 0 to 2 years of experience, and the job location or the work location, it is Bangalore, and the salary of the CTC, it is 6 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the degree or the education needed, it is for B or BTech or MA or MTech or BCA or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and the streams or specialization. So any streams are eligible to apply who has the knowledge of testing or any of the programming language, they are preferred to eligible, so they are preferred to apply. And the percentage criteria, it should be minimum, so minimum percentage is preferred, and the batch or the year of passout, so any year of passouts are eligible to apply for the job role. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. You need to have basic knowledge of Java programming as well as test automation framework, any one of the test automation framework, like it can be Selenium, and also you need to have basic knowledge of manual testing and also exposure in creating the test cases, everything. And also you need to have basic knowledge of software testing methodologies as well as execution of test plans as well as debugging and testing scripts as well as tools. And after that you need to have knowledge of functional testing as well as how to document it, as well as you need to have bit knowledge of agile methodologies. So then coming to the selection process, there will be three different rounds. So the first round is the online written test, and the second round is the technical interview, and the third round is the managerial interview. So these are the three rounds included in the selection process. So then coming to the application process, so it's a five-step registration. So first you need to fill your my information, so in which you are going to enter your basic details, your name, your phone number, your email address, everything. And after that you need to enter your experience. So like it can be internship details. So if you have done any of the internship or any of the technical courses, it can be related to testing, and if you have any certification, you can do add that. And after that some of the application questions like general questions you can, so you can write that. And after that there will be some voluntary disclosures type questions, so you can choose the answers, like choose the options from the given. And after that lastly you need to review the entire application and you can submit that. So once you submit, your application will be completed. So the link will be provided in the description, you can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.